Hello guys, so today I'll be doing some graphic mods on my car. Yeah, these are just normal stickers that I'll be designing and installing in my car. Yes, what today we'll need these are vinyl stickers. I'll use white, gold and red. Of course we'll need something for weeding. This is a surgical blade, tape measure, pair of scissors, and this one, what do we call this, masking tape, white. We also need a computer, very important for the design part, and the plotter that we'll use, the plotting machine. Yeah, other than that I think we're good. So I get my inspiration from Pinterest. This is where I usually get my designs, then I transfer them to Canva and do the editing. I think this is it's more simple than just doing everything like designing. I'm not a really good designer, so I tend to use already designed templates from Pinterest. Today I'm going for an off-white theme. Yeah, that will be the theme that I'll be going for. So you can just come here and type off white. Second, off white logo theme. Yeah. As you can see, I think this one is good. This one will be on the sides. You can use this one on the sides. I think my laptop is freezing, but yeah, that one will be on the side. So download, we get, maybe this one will be on the door. Yeah, this is a cool design. I think this one will be perfect for the door. Download. Let me check some more inspiration. Maybe this one on the front. Download image. Sorry, I'm not using my normal stand, that's why I'm a bit shaky. I'm using my hand for everything. So we have the back, the front, or this one. Maybe this one would be better at the front, I'm not sure. Let me just search for more. This one, maybe we can use some of this, so I'll download that also. And I think I'm good. I think that's enough for the off-white theme. I think we have enough. Maybe just look for one more for the back. I've always wanted to put these things, so maybe I'll also add this. Okay, right now it's plotting the design, this design here of white. This is the whole process of plotting. think I put it a bit sharp because it's cut one of the sides, which is not a good sign. Hopefully it won't tear again, because if it does, it will be really bad. Yep, and now it's done. So this is the plotted surface, as you can see. I know you can't see so much, but once I'm done weeding, you'll be able to see what the design looks like exactly. So this is after weeding. This is the trash. I don't know if you can see this. This was the original design. Yes, now we'll use this. We'll spread it throughout this so that now we can attach it to the car. Yes, okay. So this is after I've covered it with the masking tape. Yes, as you can see, this is how it looks. Now what is remaining is to transfer it to the car.